What's wrong, Reggie?
I fell and scraped some of my foreskin off. A guy named Garfield Jensen bent me over in the shower while I was in prison. My baby mama told me child support, so I gave my baby to creepy old guy.
Run. Bye. Oh, look at him. Run. 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 Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, Reg. Aww. What's wrong? Reg. It's just aww. He said you're not cute. Oh my God, calm down.